Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I made my brown stew fish Jamaican style. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Please note guys that all of my recipes are listed in the description box. Go ahead and try them out. Let me know what you think. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to use. Here I have my sliced fish already washed and clean. I'm gonna use some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, some Maggi season up, tomato ketchup, parsley flakes, some soya sauce, onion, scallion, okra, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, and sweet peppers. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and add salt and black pepper to my fish. So I'm just gonna add a little black pepper to a dry plate and also some salt. Then I'm just going to combine both the salt and black pepper together, and I'm just going to add it to my fish before frying. So now that I'm finished adding the salt and the black pepper to my fish, it's time to go ahead and slice up my vegetables. So I'm just slicing up the okra, then I'm going to slice up the bell peppers. I'm not going to slice the Scotch bonnet pepper, we're just going to put it in there like that. The scallion, the onion, and then I'm going to slice up my garlic. So I'm just showing you how I slice my vegetables. So now that I'm finished slicing up all of my vegetables, it's time to fry my fish. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my fish to my hot oil, and I'm just gonna leave it to fry on both sides for about 7 to 10 minutes until golden brown. So guys, this is what it looks like on one side. So I'm just gonna allow the other side to fry. So now that I'm finished frying my fish, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some of my vegetables to a pot with a little bit of vegetable oil. Then I'm just gonna add my fried fish on top of the vegetables. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the rest of the vegetables on top of my fish. And I'm just gonna make a mixture with some soya sauce, ketchup and water, and pour it over my fish. So guys, I'm just gonna add the mixture. I also add some of the Maggi season, the all-purpose and the black pepper to the mixture. So I'm just adding it, and I'm just gonna leave this to cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the sauce is thick. So guys, this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna allow this to cook and then show you the finished product. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more tomato ketchup. And leave it to cook for another 20 minutes. So guys, after 25 minutes, this is what my brown stew fish look like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for all the love. Thank you for all the support. And see you in the next video.